Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how I lay my edges. As you can see, it's really easy. Like, it probably takes me like 10 minutes at most to lay my edges. And yeah, I will just be sharing with you guys the tips and tricks that I use to lay my edges. And yeah, and just for like a little more context about my hair, I do relax my hair. I don't have natural hair whatsoever. The last time I relaxed my hair was maybe like 2 months ago. And yeah, so that just gives you a better idea of the texture of the type of hair that I have. And I have really thick hair. So this method that I use really helps my edges stay down like all day. And trust me, it really does stay down all day. So yeah, I hope you guys find this tutorial useful, and I will see you next time. Bye. So we are starting with all of this hair. Okay, so the first thing that I do is take my eco styling gel. I use the argan oil one. I just personally like to use like argan oil everything in my hair. So my conditioner, my hair food that I use, this is also the hair food that I use. It's also argan oil. I just got this from a beauty supply. Anyway, the first thing that I do is take this toothbrush, dip it in, like I put a very generous amount, and then I kind of just smear that all on like the beginning of my hairline. There's so many people that don't like the eco styling gel because they say it gets them like flaky and stuff. That it's not like that bad. I personally think that the Got To Be glue gel is a lot flakier than this, so I just like to use this. Okay, so after that's like all on my hairline, I take this hard brush and I just smooth everything out. Okay, after that is done, take my hair tie and I put my hair up where I want to place the bun. So I think this is good. And I really do this like as tight as possible. I really like tight buns. And then I just tie it. Okay, when there's like extra hair sticking out, I kind of like just tuck it back in. So this is the bun that we have right now, and then now we're gonna lay the edges, the fun part. So again, with my toothbrush and my eco styling gel, I'm just gonna take a lot less this time. I would zoom into the brush, but it's kind of gross. So with my hairline, it's very interesting. So I have this widow's peak, and then I have these very distinct corners. And yeah, so I kind of like do my edges in like threes. So okay, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I don't know why I always start with this right corner. Okay, these hairs on the back, I need to relax. Okay, now with this like right side of my hair, I'm going to start by just like bringing the baby hairs down and swooping them to the side. It's also a lot easier if you use your finger to follow the brush, because like it kind of holds them in place while you swoop. So I just brush down, hold, swoop. I hope that's making sense. And then now I go to like this next portion, which is right here. Brush down, hold, swoop. And I just keep doing this until it's laying flat and I like how it's looking. So this is what we have so far. And then now this last little portion, brush down, hold, and swoop. So I'm gonna do the same onto the other side, and then we'll come back to the widow's peak. That's how this side is looking. Okay, so now for the widow's peak. I really don't like my widow's peak, but whatever. One time when I was like 5 or 6, I don't know, I literally took a scissors and I went behind the door and I just cut it. I really hate my widow's peak. Anyway, I just do the same thing except I swoop it to the right. Because I don't know, I personally prefer like the swooped baby hairs. It just looks a lot cuter than like when people just brush them down. Okay, so now that gel is done, we are going to take this Creme of Nature edge control. Again, this is an argan oil one. I alternate between this extra hold one and this regular one. This one actually does hold a lot better than the regular one. So I'm like literally done with this. So I'm just gonna scoop some out. So now with it like on the back of my hand, I'm just gonna take some with my finger. And then what I do is I just like roughly put it over all of the like little edge patterns that I just made. I don't know what to call these. Yeah, I just put it over my edges that I just like laid with the gel. And this literally is just to lock it in place. I think this is my secret to like how my edges last the whole day, because a lot of people say that if they just put like eco styling gel or just the edge control, it doesn't last the whole day, but you have to use them like together, I think. Okay, now that I can actually feel that it's a lot tighter. Anyways, now that the edge control is over the styling gel, I just do the exact same thing to just flatten my edges and make it look neater. And then once I'm done, I kind of just take like the tip of my brush and sharpen like the swoops of my edges if they need to be sharpened. Okay, now that the edges are laid, I'm gonna take this scarf and just wrap my hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna lay this over my edges. And now we let it sit. I usually let this sit for maybe 30 minutes while I do my makeup or something, but like I don't have any makeup to do, so I'm just gonna chill for 30 minutes and I will be back. So this is the finished product. Edges laid and not moving. Anyway guys, that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you found it very useful and easy, because it really is easy to lay your edges. Just remember to brush it down, hold and swoop, and you will be good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye!